we get started, I'm going to give a shout out to a good friend of mine, Brian Dale, who is the front man of a great band here in San Diego called Night Shadow. Go check them out at Brick by Brick. You will not be disappointed. Tell them Jeffy sent you. No restoration should be complete without a hummingbird overlooking your project. That's exactly what I have sitting here in my driveway. One of the most valuable tools for this project right here. It won't get any better than with this guy here, and you'll want cutoff discs to go with it. Clearly this crap's not going to work, so what we're going to have to do is take this piece right here and make it work. We're going to make a cut right along here to there, and then we're going to make another cut right along here to there and remove that. Then we'll cut the appropriate amounts off of this and weld them into there. From the crown piece down, it looks like 6.5 inches will do it. So we'll take 6.5 inches off of that other piece. That is 6.5 inches right there. Try to make your cuts as straight as possible. I would use these two guys right here and set them up in a configuration that helps you to run it straight. Something kind of like this right here. You want to get it as straight as possible and as sturdy as possible right on your line. I don't know, what do you think? Any of this salvageable? Maybe this piece here? We'll see. This rusty old piece of crap has just got to come out of there. Yes, sir. Now that we have our marks all set up here and here, we're going to go ahead and make the cuts. And that's that. And when you're done, it should fit something just like that. So we can come all in with a welder and make it permanent. I'm using an extra deep C-clamp to flatten out those metal spots to get them to join together real nice. Just run it all the way up. Using a flux welder here, 90 amp Chicago welder. You can buy that at Harbor Freight for about 99 bucks, the coupon for about 70. So it's not a bad welder. I'm a bad welder. Body work always requires a lot of sanding. Awesome, thank you. That's good, babe. Thank you very much.